Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to automatically change wallpaper every day in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. We are not using any external app or any software. For this purpose, we just use Windows 10 feature and change our wallpaper every day. First, download images from your mobile or from your PC and create a folder and save that images in that folder. In this case, I download some images from the website. I give the link of that website in the description, or go to the here we find that website name and download your wallpaper from here. Search your wallpaper that you want and download that wallpaper from this site. This is a free site, and after that create a folder and save these all images in that folder from your PC, mobile, or downloaded from the internet. Save that images, all images, close it. Next step is very simple. Go to the desktop, right click on desktop and go to the personalize. Click on the personalize. In personalize, find background, click on the background. In background, we find here picture, click at here, and here go to the slideshow, click on the slideshow. In slideshow, we find many things. Main thing is the browse. Go to the here browse, and this time go to the desktop and select your folder. Go to your folder and select your folder. In this case, my images is my folder. Double click on it. This folder not showing any images to you, is just show a folder. Click on the choose this folder, and after that your image is changed, but it's changed it every 1 minute. We are going to change it. Change picture every and change it to 1 minute to 1 day. Click on 1 day and close the upper this windows or this windows, and after that this wallpaper is appear on our screen. This wallpaper change every 1 day. After 1 day, new wallpaper is appear on your screen. So guys, this is the simplest way to change wallpaper every day in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.